So the trial process is always an inspiring task because you have worked for months and months and months with the client and getting the case ready to present to the finder of fact, to the jury. And you have an opportunity to really impact someone's life for the positive. A lot of the times our clients are dealing with the most significant and the most tragic thing that they've ever had to deal with, and they come to you looking for help. And if you're not able to resolve the case, the way in which our cases get resolved is by a jury in a trial. And so a client understands and appreciates when they see all of the hard work, the physical things that have been put together for their case. I am always amazed when a client shows up for trial. Generally speaking, they've never been to a courthouse and certainly haven't had a trial before, and they see all of the boxes and all of the blow-ups and all of the materials that have to do with their case, and they look and they see the boxes and boxes, and they say, "Is that all for my case?" And we say, "Well, of course, that's what we've been doing for the last 18 months is getting your case ready for trial." And shortly thereafter, you have to have an understanding with the client that this isn't going to be generally speaking, a 1 or 2 day affair. This will be weeks potentially, depending upon the case. And it's always amazing that the clients, they see TV and the cases of very complex natures are wrapped up pretty quickly within an hour or so, and their case that happened in an instant is going to take weeks to get a verdict on. And so the clients are understandably very nervous about trial with good reason. A lot of times people's futures and their fates are hanging in the balance and beholden upon our jury system and folks to come in and to listen to the facts and apply the law and render a decision. And so if the case isn't able to be resolved, and most cases are resolved, the vast majority of them are, but one of the ways in which to make sure that you give your client the best opportunity to get a good resolution by settlement is to be prepared and willing to try their case. When we're in trial, that client's case is the most important thing that's going on in our professional lives, whether it's a 5-day trial or a 5-week trial. For that period of time, that's really our only case. The client's case is the most important thing that's going on, and so we live it and breathe it and sleep it, and it's a fairly simple existence. When we go from having multiple cases just to getting a laser focus for that period of time and trying that client's case, it's one of the things that as a trial lawyer we look forward to most, and that is if we can't settle a case, we get a chance to try it. And so we get a chance to bring the best that we have in our case and the best that we have as lawyers and to talk to the jury and hope that if we're smart enough and if we work hard enough that the jury will see our client's way and our client will have a good result.